Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a little updated wash day routine and show you how I take my hair from looking a hot mess and lifeless like that to my curls back popping, and what products I like to use. And I'm going to give you guys a few of my little tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is looking a hot, dry, brittle mess. My hair was actually straightened for a photo shoot that I had. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try to keep it straight for at least, a few weeks. And I actually kept it straight for a few weeks. But as you can see, that was not lasting too much longer. My hair was no longer straight at this point. It's just all knotted together and just a hot mess. So I decided, let me go ahead and wash my hair today and, bring the curls back to life. So I'm starting off with some really hot water, guys. When I first wash my hair, I always make sure that water is really hot, not too hot to where it's burning me, obviously, but hot enough to where it can actually break down all of the product I've been using in my hair over the past few weeks. I do apply edge control and oil to my hair every other day or so. So it's been about 3 weeks, so I am due for a good wash. So this water is very warm. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this MICHE cleansed moisturizing shampoo, and I am very, very, very much so obsessed with this shampoo. It is so moisturizing. Like, this shampoo does not dry my hair out, and I just love MICHE products so much. So when I put shampoo in my hair, I don't lather it in like you see on the commercials, because that's just, I don't know, it just does too much. Shampoo is made to cleanse, so I just like to literally push it down my hair and just let the product do its work. But I definitely make sure to scrub my scalp and make sure I'm lifting up all of that product. But the warm water will rinse the shampoo down the hair shafts. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this MIZANI Moisture Fusion Intense Hydration Moisturizing Mask. And this is blended with kapuku butter, argan oil, and honey. I'm not sure if I said kapuku butter correctly, but I do know that kapuku butter is really good for the skin and hair. It has hydrophilic properties, basically meaning it's extremely moisturizing. So it's really great for those with dry, brittle, or damaged hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair up with my deep conditioning cap and leave that on while I finish my shower. So it's about 15 minutes later. My hair has been deep conditioned while I was taking my shower. And yeah, this MIZANI deep conditioner has my hair so moisturized and soft. It just felt nourished. So now I'm just rinsing my hair out. I want to make sure that all of this product is thoroughly rinsed. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up and hop out the shower so we could go ahead and style. Now I'm going to take my microfiber towel and wrap that around me and grab my handy dandy spray bottle. This just has water in it. I just want to dampen my hair because it did dry a little. Now I'm going to go in with this MICHE Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. And guys, this is also made with kapuku butter and mango butter. So it's very moisturizing and hydrating. So I decided to do a middle part today. And I'm just going to section my hair off to apply this butter to my hair. And guys, when I brush my hair, I notice brushing it horizontal just doesn't work. So I use the brush vertically. It just helps so much better. And guys, I noticed that this kind of brush actually works way better once you close the bristles together and brush vertically. And then once it's fully detangled, then I could brush it the horizontal way. And then once that section is moisturized and detangled, I'm just twisting it up and moving on to the next section. And I like to section my hair off when applying each product because it ensures that I'm getting a nice even distribution of each product. You don't want too much of a certain product in one spot of your hair and not on the other side. So now I'm going to take my favorite wide tooth comb by Pattern. This comb is so hefty. The thickest hair can use that comb, and that comb is not going to break. I absolutely love Pattern's hair products and their utensils. So now my hair is looking so moisturized. I am loving these MICHE products. And mind you guys, MICHE did not sponsor this video or anything like that. I bought these products with my own money because I genuinely love their products. So now I'm going to take the MICHE Setting Curl Defining Mousse. And this is one of my favorite mousses. It's so moisturizing. It doesn't dry your hair out or make it crunchy or anything like that. My hair still gets very fluffy and lightweight, you know. So now I'm going to go in with my PUREMAJIK Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend, and this is my oil that I formulated myself, and it's formulated with 7 organic oils. I will have it listed on the screen, and check the description box for a link to where you can purchase yours. I'm absolutely obsessed with my hair oil, guys. It's so lightweight but yet moisturizing. Heavy oils, I noticed, just weighs the hair down, and all it does is just coats the hair. Like, there's heavy oils like black castor oil. A lot of people swear by it, and I do love castor oil, but it's just so heavy. But this oil will be able to penetrate the hair shaft, moisturizing the hair from the inside out. So I just wanted to give you guys a more better view. So I turned the camera around, and you could just see how moisturized my hair looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this Pattern edge control, and this is one of my favorite edge controls so far lately. If you don't want your edges to go nowhere, I'm telling y'all, this edge control will have your edges locked in for real. So now I'm going to go ahead and start to style my hair. I'm just doing some finger coils in the front of my hair and at the top where my curls look a little lifeless or just like it need a little encouragement. So I like to do that sporadically all throughout my hair. I don't do the entire head because I do love my actual curl pattern, so I try to just do a few at the top just to mix it in to give my hair a little more definition and volume, because once the hair dries, it's going to look so good. And I'm loving how it looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my hair from another view and turn the camera around. And you could just see that moisture, y'all. When I tell y'all my PUREMAJIK Naturals hair oil is it, I swear by it. It's the only oil I've been using. I'm literally obsessed. So it's a few hours later. As you can see, my hair is fully dry. I went ahead and got dressed and did my makeup. I'm looking cute. I'm feeling myself, but my hair needs to be bigger. So I'm going to take my PUREMAJIK Naturals hair oil, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my scalp and throughout my hair just to give my hair a little bit more shine. And I also want to start to break my curls apart because we want big hair, guys. So I'm just going to create a little more volume by just playing with my hair, breaking my curls apart, just raking my fingers through my hair. Any curls that seem like they're clumped together, I'll go ahead and break it apart. I'll take my Pattern wide tooth comb. I used to use a pick, but I lost it every time I bought one, so I just started using a wide tooth comb to do this, but a pick works even better. So I'm just flipping my head to the side and upside down. I just want to lift my hair off of my scalp so I could create a little more volume. And I'm doing this with the oil to avoid frizz because my hair does get really frizzy quick. And my PUREMAJIK Naturals hair oil definitely helps with frizz. So now I'm just touching up my edges really quick and making sure everything is intact. I will have all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below and a link to where you can purchase it. So check that out. And if you guys love this video or would like to see more videos like it, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with a friend, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thanks for watching. Mwah.